Hello everyone. Today we will see how you can set up Twitter widget using Feedwind. Sign into Feedwind account using your ID. Select Create Widget button. Select Twitter. Enter Twitter ID and password and authorize Feedwind add to user account. Choose your required option from the Feedwind setup screen. Some of these are specific to Twitter, like here, your own tweet or tweets from you and user that you're following. Check the preview panel to make sure widget looks good. I'll make changes. Horizontal. Give it a name to your widget. Save. Copy the code and paste into your website, sidebar, photo, header, or widget area. Thank you for watching.